Winter, am I right? It is cold as hell outside, depending on what region you're in, of course, but here in the UK, it is raining all the time and it's just freezing out there. I went out and I did a bunch of winter clothing shopping. Now, obviously, you guys like to know what I got, what I picked up, my latest stuff that I'm gonna be rocking, and I've got a decent amount. In today's video, we've actually got a bunch of really solid stuff, and one of the best parts about some of the stuff that I got is you can get them at a steal. You're gonna thank me later for this one because I found some absolute gems at a really decent price point. So obviously today I'm going to be showing you what I picked up. I'm going to be trying it on, and if you like it, of course, have a browse in the description and everything will be down there. Let's kick this off with my latest pair of jeans that I picked up. This is actually something I don't often buy. I don't often wear jeans. I normally just go for cargo pants or sweatpants, but you know, you gotta have a couple pairs of jeans in the collection, and I went out and got a Levi's 501, just all over black, super simple, and these are actually super clean. I went with a 30 waist, and it's always a little bit difficult for me in jeans because obviously I train legs, so like my legs are a little bit bigger in relation to my waist, so sometimes that could be a little bit difficult. But what I found with these jeans is it wasn't too tight around the quads. It was definitely manageable. Either way, I really like the way that these look, and obviously Levi's, so you know what you're getting in terms of quality. It ended up being about £70, and I think they normally retail for about 80 to 100, so just a small amount off. Obviously I'll leave a link to Levi's down in the description. Today's video is sponsored by the Jacket Maker. Imagine wanting a leather jacket, and instead of having to settle for what's right in front of you, you can custom make one to your exact specifications or pick from an extremely comprehensive selection. And this is exactly what the Jacket Maker provides. Every single one of their jackets is made from full grain quality natural leather. They are handmade one at a time by one craftsman, ensuring that you're only getting the best jackets out there. They're able to offer this insane quality at a fair price by cutting out the middleman. They ship straight to you. Unlike other luxury brands with expensive storefronts, you get it straight from the source. They have something for everyone. All jackets are offered in 8 sizes from extra small to 4XL, and you have the ability to custom make your own, from sizing down to logo, design, and more. Check out their insane selection of leather jackets, whether it's a bomber, biker, hooded, or coat. Use the link down in the description below to let them know that we sent you. And with that being said, thank you so much, the Jacket Maker, for sponsoring today's video, but let's get back to it. Before we get into the more like winter stuff, the winter jackets and stuff like that, I do want to show you these 2 t-shirts that I picked up because they're pretty cool. This first one is actually something you cannot go out and purchase. This is just something I wanted to show you guys. It's from Represent. It's from their book launch. If you guys didn't see my vlog, go and check that out, where we went sneaker shopping in London. But that's where I got this t-shirt. You get it free when you buy their book. A little bit of kind of exclusivity to this. I don't know how many were actually made. Mocha or brown Represent logo on the back. I want to show you the other one because it is a steal. I'm about to drop some absolute gems for you over here, because if you're looking for some stuff that's on sale from Represent, I may just have the perfect place. I stumbled upon this website called Fenwick, and they're actually just a retailer for a bunch of different brands. I actually went for a couple different items, but this is the only one that actually turned up today. It's just a plain Represent t-shirt. I believe I paid 30 something for it. It normally retails at 90, and you can hardly ever find Represent on sale unless they're doing a Black Friday. So if you want some of the stuff, there is a decent amount that is still on there. I don't know how much is left as of this recording by the time you guys see this. All right, let's get into these jackets. And this is the first one, a nice little cropped puffer, and I gotta say, I wasn't expecting much from this purchase, but getting this in, I'm absolutely in love with it. This looks super clean on. It's just a regular puffer jacket. There's not too much about it. It's a little bit cropped, which I really like the look of. In terms of quality, it's nothing insane, but at the end of the day, if you're wearing a bunch of different types of puffer jackets, this is a nice little thing to throw on or throw into the rotation. Gotta say, this like perfectly matches with so many of my different outfits, and I really like the way that it looks. It's definitely warm as well. In terms of sizing, I went for a medium. I think that fits perfectly. But another puffer jacket, and this one I'm actually really excited about. This one is from Zara. Again, I've told you guys, Zara is a great place for jackets. You can often find some really good deals on there, and that is exactly what I got. It may not initially look like much, just a kind of regular puffer, but this is actually down-filled, which usually is a lot more expensive because it keeps you a lot warmer, and it actually feels incredibly soft when you like squish it around. Like the filling is definitely premium. So I think originally this was like 170 and I managed to get it for like 60 to 70 pounds, which in my books is a great price. So now in terms of sizing is a little bit weird. They do like small to medium, medium to large, and then like XL to 2XL or something like that. I went for a small to medium and it kind of fits perfectly. I think that's kind of like the smallest size that they do, but again, it fits pretty perfect. The next pickup is actually back at Levi's, and this is not something I normally wear, jean jackets, but I went for this. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it out. I'm gonna see what it looks like, and I actually really like it. I think it was on sale as well. I can't exactly remember, but again, all links will be down in the description below. Now, the colors on this is obviously just pretty standard. It's like this washed, darker, almost gray. Levi's, great quality. However, this is super heavy because it is Sherpa line. That's why it looks a little bit bigger on me when I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's because I got a size large because I want to have a hoodie underneath. If you're someone who likes a nice fitted denim jacket, then probably go for your true to size. However, I would say a size up would be perfect if you want to chuck on a hoodie, a nice thick hoodie underneath. One of my favorite pickups out of this entire clothing haul is this jacket right here. I don't know why, but I just like the look of it so freaking much. So it's like a mixture of Sherpa and then some kind of nylon material, but the way that this looks when you layer it with a black hoodie is just insane. I also got this on Asos. However, the actual brand of this specific piece is Jack & Jones, and what I managed to get was pretty insane. The actual price I paid for this is like 30 pounds. It looks super cool. You can layer it with a hoodie, or you can just, you know, wear a t-shirt underneath. However you want to rock this. This is a solid little jacket right here. But other than that, embroidery on the sleeve, it is pretty much unbranded, so it's a really clean look and something that I really enjoyed wearing and I think looks pretty sick. Alright, this next one is pretty unexpected because I actually didn't think I would like it as much, but it's another cropped puffer jacket. I'm just really feeling them at the moment, and this one is again from Asos. I really don't expect much when I'm ordering off Asos in terms of like quality or even the way that it fits, but these two that I managed to pick up I think are just like pretty damn perfect. It's kind of got a wax coating, so it's still black, but it also has a little bit of a different tone to it. To be honest, it kind of gives me like Kanye or Yeezy Gap round jacket vibe. Feels a lot more durable. It's definitely gonna last a little bit longer. Again, when it comes to Asos, you're not getting anything insane in terms of quality. You are getting some insane prices though. And just overall, it's a nice fit. I actually went with a large on this one, so I could wear a hoodie underneath. I would say maybe if you're taller or you don't like it so cropped, go a size up, and that would kind of help that crop factor because sometimes it can just kind of look like a vest or something. But yeah, I did a pretty hefty clothing haul. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys getting ready for winter? Are you buying up some puffer jackets? Let me know what you're shopping for down in the comment section. Let me know what you think of what I managed to get, if you're liking it, if you're not liking it, and of course if you like these clothing haul videos, I would appreciate it if you let me know down in the comment section and like this video. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then,